the perfect baby gift. Now you wind it up.
That's gonna scare you.
Do you think that will scare a baby? That's what you pick out? Why do you need both?
Because
look at this jumbo pocket. Pick it up so I can see it. It's huge. It's $30. Whoa. It's a good one. Is this the fidget jackpot? Ooh, pop tubes.
We should not have this in here.
Why? What's wrong with it? Wacky tracks?
No, it's a spinner. No, it's not.
We got some tangles. Ooh, that's a big Neato ball.
Okay. I'm telling you, it shouldn't.
A Shishibo. That's cool, Drew.
Look at in there. I'm gonna scare you.
Cool.
If I want to use a jumbo one, I might as well just use the one in the yard. Mom, did you get one of these?
What is it?
It's the like simple dimple thing.
A wobble?
Yeah.
Look at the noodles over there. Let me see those noodles. Don't you have those?
Yeah.
I got you a banana.
What is this supposed to do?
It's just a banana fidget.
Squishy?
Squishy. Did you find anything good, Drew?
Oh, I thought this was for Jesse.
See if you think it smells like chocolate chip. Does it smell good?
It smells like syrup.
It smells like syrup.
Look
Drew,
at,
did you see those big puppets down there?
look at this.
It's like a butterfly one.
Unicorn here.
It's a cute one. Oh, let me see those little balls down there. Those are cute. That looks like a gumball. Let me see it.
This is kind of not like mine, but it's mini.
Turn the little bucket. Does that thing turn?
Mm.
Let me see your squishy. Back it up a little bit so you can see it. Oh. Do you have a Neato ball back there?
Yeah.
Can you see that? What does that do?
I need to open it.
Oh, cool. Let me see it.
It's kind of hard to squish.
Let me see that lip gloss. Oh, it's a flamingo. That banana's kind of weird.
How do you open this? Oh. Stop.
Oh, that's kind of
In the
cute.
bow.
That's inappropriate. That's inappropriate.
What's that?
Try it on. Good? Drew, let me see your stuff. Let me see the continent.
I ain't get no continent.
I didn't get a continent. Show me the countries.
Me?
Yeah.
So we got... Asia should be bigger than this. I know, that's not Asia. There's no way that's Asia. So we got Asia, Africa, North America, and South America. And we got,
Sing the song.
no, I'm not. Asia, Africa, North and South America, Antarctica, Europe, and finally Australia.
Next Next up, Hallmark.
Where?
Hallmark.
Where?
Yeah, wait for this car to go by first. Sometimes they have good poppets here and fidgets. I've seen one time. Let's go check it out.
If you're watching your Hallmark movie, I don't know.
Careful crossing. Whoa! Some cute Squishmallows. I like that fry one. That's cute. Let me see, Jesse. Fries. What's that, Drew? They have a cup. Oh, I know. Oh, they got some, what are those infinity cubes called? It's a pretty ornament. Pineapple. What is that? Let me see. Oh, Blinky, the comfy dream. You want that? Put that on your list. Are these little things Squishmallows? Yeah. Well, that's a hot sauce one. Oh, and a taco. Do they come together? Let me see the bacon and egg one. That's cute. Let me see the magnets. Cute.
You want me to see it?
Do the hot sauce and taco one, Drew. Oh, the popcorn and the drink. It's magnet, Drew. Like, look at your sister.
I know. Come on, stick it.
Is that a cookie ice cream sandwich? Yeah, they don't have too many poppets. Oh, you found a big Squishmallow? It's a big one. $25. Oh, these are cute. Look at that little pack. I like those little ones. Where's a squishy aisle?
What's this?
You put them in your dryer. They make your clothes smell good, I think. Pick it up, please. Pick it up.
Move! Oh, baby.
Care Bears. Wish Bear, Cheer Bear. Where are you going, Jesse? Look at these. They're so cute from when I was little. You don't like Care Bear? Wait. Is that a big squishy down there? Let me see that one. Oh, that's cute.